a lot of people are asking me, right, okay, what's it all about? And that's cool. But why am I doing it? Well, I actually really like fixing things, but most of my time isn't spent fixing things. So Fix.Live came from another business that I have, which is West of Scotland Engineering, but has evolved into something for everybody. So West of Scotland Engineering is a repair business. It's been going for 99 years this year. Started repairing cartwheels, now do quite a lot of other stuff. What we repair isn't important. How we engage with our customers is, and we needed something a bit better than what we were doing, which was virtually nothing. So we're so busy repairing stuff that we don't have time to spend on tech. Our website's pretty poor, our social media is a bit sporadic, and we don't really want to engage with people through our own social media, so our own Facebook account or WhatsApp account. So we created Fix.Live to solve West of Scotland's problems, and then realised that it's really for a much broader audience. So from a one-man band to a big company with 100 employees. You can split up your chats into teams. Your chats create accountability for all the work you're doing, and at the end you can tell someone, look, your job's finished and here it is. And by the way, you can pay for it through the app. And that's really what we're up to. So repairers use Fix.Live, from a sole trader to a big company, to solve problems in the repair industry.